everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Fluffer No Nutter cookie cups. Okay, let's start with our ingredients. For the Wowbutter cookie cups, we need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of butter at room temperature, which is 1 stick. Then you also need a half a cup of Wowbutter. You could use the smooth or the crunchy. It's up to you. I'm using the smooth, the creamy. Then we also need a half a cup of granulated sugar, a cup of light brown sugar packed, 2 eggs at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That is all that we need for the cookie cups. Now for the Wowbutter filling, we need another half cup of Wowbutter, 3 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and you want that to be sifted, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then for your marshmallow fluff, you could make your own, but I just bought the marshmallow cream, the fluff, and you'll need the 7-ounce container. I have the bigger one, but I'm not going to need it all. And then you also need something to make the cookie cups in. So you could either use regular muffin tins, but I like everything mini because I just like mini desserts. You can just pop them right into your mouth. So I am going to use this mini muffin tin. So I'm going to spray that with cooking spray and preheat my oven to 350. Okay, so first we're going to whisk together our dry ingredients. So that's just your flour, your baking soda, and salt, and then we're going to set that to the side. Okay, next we are going to beat together our butter and Wowbutter until it is nice and smooth with an electric mixer. Okay, that looks great. So next we are going to add in our sugars, and then we are going to just continue to mix that for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, next we are going to add in our egg and vanilla extract and mix it again to combine. All right, now I am just going to add the flour mixture a little at a time and keep stirring it until it is well incorporated. All right, that's nice and combined. So next I'm going to take a cookie scoop and I am just going to fill up my muffin tins. Okay, my muffin tins are filled and I am just taking a tablespoon and just pressing just to flatten them a bit. Really not to make indents yet, but just to make them a little flat so they can bake evenly. And then we are going to go ahead and stick those in the oven. And I still have a lot more dough, so I'm going to be able to make a lot more than 24. Okay, I am going to put these in now for about 6 to 8 minutes. You just want to make sure that they're lightly browned and be sure not to burn them. My first batch just came out of the oven, and as you can see, they're mostly set, but they're still a little jiggly. So I am just going to go ahead and make an indent with my tablespoon again and press it really firmly so it sets that way. Okay, I am going to let these cool in the pan for 10 minutes, and I'm going to get to work on my Wowbutter frosting. All right, I am going to mix together my Wowbutter and my butter with an electric mixer for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Okay, that looks good. So now I am going to add in my sifted powdered sugar a half a cup at a time, mixing it in between each half cup. Okay, next go ahead and add in the vanilla extract. Okay, next you want to add in your cream 1 tablespoon at a time until the desired consistency is reached. And then you want to beat that on high for 3 minutes until it is fluffy. All right, that looks great. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that in either a Ziploc bag or a piping bag to pipe into my cookie cups. My first batch is all up here getting cool. I did have to put them in an additional 6 minutes. They were just falling apart, as you can see, when I was getting them out. So they set up a little better, and I was able to salvage most of them. And then I just made about 5 big ones because I had dough left and I didn't want to waste any more time waiting for these ones to cool down. So now I am going to go ahead and pipe in our Wowbutter filling, and you won't even notice the blemishes. Okay, all of my little cookie cups are filled up with my Wowbutter frosting. Now I am going to just pipe on the marshmallow on top of that. All right, these are finally all finished. The marshmallow piped on there beautifully, and like I said, it really does hide all the imperfections. These turned out super cute. I'm really happy with them. It was a struggle getting there, but I think the end product is great. So we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Here are the 5 big cups I made too, and actually the big cups stayed together a lot better than the smaller ones, so I guess this recipe is tailored to make the big muffin cups here, as you can see. But again, they turned out really good and I'm really happy with them. All right, taste tester, have a little taste.
All right. Yum.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.